सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 118, 11th chapter, 9th shloka. धर्माधर्मफलैर्योगम् इष्टो दृष्टो यथात्मनः शास्त्रात् ब्रह्मत्वमप्यस्य मोक्षो ज्ञानात् तथेष्यताम्. मोक्षो ज्ञानात् तथेष्यताम्. Acharya talking about Sakshi Swarupam. Atman nature is Sakshi Swarupam, witness consciousness. This Sakshi Swarupam, to recognize I am Atma, the witness consciousness. For that, karma is not required. Karma means performing lot of rituals, yajna, yaga, homadi karmas, shrauta karma, smarta karma, any karma. One philosopher says jnana karma samuchaya. When you are talking about Veda Anta, Veda Purva also you have to accept. Along with Veda Purva, Veda Anta, both go together. Both should go together. You have to perform the karmas and you have to study Vedanta also. Then only Jnana karma samuchaya is possible, then only you will get moksham. Kevala jnanena na mokshaha. What is his standpoint? Whole Veda you are giving importance. Jnanam topic comes in Veda only. Veda Purva also as equal to as Vedanta. Veda Purva also. So the whole Veda you must give importance. What Acharya want to say, Veda Purva talking about Kartrutvam. Veda Purva, when you are performing karma, you have to invoke the doership, enjoyership. So Kartrutvam invoking karma kanda, Akartrutvam encouraging Vedanta cannot coexist. Sakshi aham atma, how can I claim as what I claim? I am pure atma, I am akarta, I am non-doer. I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, higher I is non-enjoyer, abhokta. Akarta abhokta atma, karta bhokta jiva cannot be together. Either I have to disclaim Kartrutvam and claim I am Sakshi Chaitanyam, or I disclaim my Sakshi Chaitanya Swarupam and remain in ignorance and I claim I am Karta Bhokta. Karta, Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam and Sakshitvam cannot stay together. It's not possible. That's what Acharya says. Just like a doctor who prescribe medicine, after using some time, 6 months you use and come. Doctor asks the patient to come back again to see that, to change the prescription. And doctor says, now you need not use this medicine. And the doctor says, no, don't use. The patient should not ask, you only written last 2 months back prescription, why you are asking me to stop now? I want to take now. Then doctor says, if you take, you will be you will be puff off. You should not take. So doctor alone has got right to prescribe and to ask him, the patient, he has right to ask to withdraw from the medicines. Doctor only knows. Doctor only prescribed. Who is having right to ask, stop the medicine, don't take this medicine? Even I have only given prescription, for some time only I have prescribed. Afterwards you should not use, now you stop. Then what patient does? Samatha enna pannanum? Yes doctor, what you have said, I will do that. Appadithane sollanum. Similarly, Veda is also like a doctor. It prescribes. Veda Purva Bhaga, do this karma, do that karma, for this purpose, that purpose, for so and so time you perform. Afterwards, what Veda says gives warning. Na karmana, na prajaya dhane, na tyage, naike amritatvamanasu, nanyah pantha vidyate yanaya. You have to drop karma, you have to drop upasana, you have to come to jnana marga, you have to do shravanam, you have to renounce everything. First, Shastra encouraged to be in that grihastha so many karmas, you perform sandhya vandhanam, sandhyam upasita, adhikaparanna, கேவல ஞானேன மோக்ஷா. நீ எவ்வளவு சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணினாலும் மோக்ஷம் வராது. கேவல ஞானேன மோக்ஷா. அதே டாக்டர். என்ன டாக்டர்? வேதா டாக்டர். வேத பூர்வா பிரிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன். Now Veda Anta comes and say that prescription over. Now don't use that prescription. Now use this prescription. அப்படி அப்பா வேதம் சொல்லிருக்கு. அதனால எல்லாமே வேதம்னு சொல்லி சமுச்சயம் இல்லை. It's not samuchayam. There is a difference between first prescription and second prescription. That time pathyam is different, this time pathyam is different. Medicine is different. Powerful drugs that time. Now these are not powerful drugs, no drugs also, no medicine also. Now you just follow some exercise enough. Follow some physiotherapy, follow some exercise, walking and all, you do enough. You need not take any medicines, and doctor says. A patient should not think, how can I stay without medicine? You should not say. Just manage with some yoga, exercise or treadmill like that. Adi madri here also. Acharya says, just as you accept Veda Purva for a person to get what? Punyam, adrishta punyam, dharma, adharma, ishta, adrishta, all you accept Veda Purva. Is it visible to you? Punyam is visible to you. Adrishta punyam, adrishta vanchonnane, invisible. Look into the shloka. Dharma, adharma, phalaihi yogaha, ishtaha, atmanaha. Atmanaha for that individual, the jiva. We are all talking just as yatha adrishtaha, adrishta phalam. Adrishta phalam comes after eating food. Drishta phalam comes or adrishta phalam comes? Drishta phalam only. But by doing sandhya vandanam or japa or nama japa or some other practice, you get drishta phalam or adrishta phalam? Adrishta phalam. You do everyday prayer. What drishta phalam comes? Nothing. Adrishta phalam only comes. Dharma, adharma. Dharma, if you do noble actions, you get punya, adrishta punya. Adharma, papa actions, sinful actions, if you do, adrishta papa. Now you see our knowledge people, adrishta manna lakkani nenukra. Adrishta means not luck. Adrishta means our punya papa, which are in invisible form, they are called adrishtam. In the orientation, the வெளியில வரதுக்கே நமக்கு ரொம்ப வருஷம் ஆகும். ரொம்ப அதிர்ஷ்டசாலி అని சொல்லுவான். ரொம்ப அதிர்ஷ்டசாலி என்ன lucky person என்ன, lucky fellow. Lucky person, that is not the right meaning actually. Just we are using always sukha, dukkha, when they are in invisible form, they are in the form of punya papa. You recollect that word, visible punya is sukha. Invisible sukha is punyam. Visible papam is dukkham. Invisible dukkham is papam. புரியலையோ? இது சொல்லணும், சொல்லி பழகணும், கிட சொல்லணும். Visible punyam is sukham, visible papam is dukkham, invisible sukham is punyam, invisible dukkham is papam. So punya papa known as dharma here. Kapuya charanaha, ramaniya charanaha, Brahma Sutra class. A person do good noble actions, he gets good body. People we believe in that because of Veda Purva. And Kapuya charanaha, papa karma gives papa yoni. Ramaniya charanaha, ramaniya yonihi. So this is the fact, faith we have upon Veda because Shastra Vakyam. When you have this much faith in Veda Purva for Punya and Papa of that Jiva as Adrishta Phalam, why are you not accepting the Veda Anta which says Kevala Jnanena Mokshaha, karma is not included there? Why you are not having faith there? Veda Purva Bhagam Matram you are accepting. Veda Anta karma na karmana. Upanishad says na karmana. How can you bring karma here, kartrutvam here? Therefore, second line you see, Shastrat Brahmatvam api asya syat. This Brahmatvam, Brahmanhood also is possible through Shastra only. That too, this Brahmatvam, how it should come? It comes only through Tatha Jnanat Mokshaha. Jnanat Mokshaha. Karmana Mokshaha na. Not through karma. Jnanat evatu Kaivalyam. Through Jnanam alone you get moksha. This also you must accept. Ishyatam. You must accept. Shankaracharya answering that Jnana Karma Samuchayavadi. Answering to him. So Jnana Karma Samuchaya Ninda he is doing. Karma is not involved when you want to claim I am Sakshi, Brahman. You have to understand that, Sad. No karma is involved here because it should not. Karma vandale kartrutvam comes. In Sakshi Chaitanya Jnanam, what is the first job? You have to drop the kartrutvam. You have to drop bhoktrutvam. Aham akarta atma, aham abhokta atma, you have to say. Therefore, Jnanat mokshaha tatha ishyatam. Just as you have accepted the Veda Purva for Drishtaphalam, Adrishtaphalam, born out of Punya, Papa, Karma, similarly Brahmatvam also from Shastrat. That too, Kevala Jnanat eva mokshaha Shastra Vakyat you have to accept. Shankaracharya says, I am not telling. Shastra alone says kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, sakshitvam cannot go together. Kartrutva tyagaha eva sakshitva bhavaha. Bhoktrutva tyagaha eva aham sakshi chaitanyam bhavaha. With this, Jnana Karma Samuchaya Khandanam is over. So Jnana Kanda teaches Jnanat eva mokshaha iti. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 10. Yamaha rajanadhyastah Yamaha rajanadhyastah Vasana swapnadarshibhih Anubhuyanta eveham ततोऽन्यः केवलो दृशिः. Now, Acharya want to give an example, very, very important portion. He gives an example from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Just I will give you the gist of this sloka. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Murta Murta Brahmanam. This comes, the topic, Maharajanam means a turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, yellow turmeric powder. Maharajanam means a cloth that which is dipped in the yellow solution. Yellow solution water. So that cloth becomes yellowish. Maharajanam. Maharajanam means yellow powder. Maharajanam means yellow cloth. How cloth becomes yellow? Because it is dipped in yellow solution, turmeric solution. In puja also sometimes we have white cloth we dip in yellow and put to Swami. Some puja, some worship when they are doing, they do that yellow cloth, they put that Maharajanam. So this Maharajanam, just as the cloth dipped in yellow solution, the entire world is like a yellow solution. The white cloth is dipped. The Sakshi Chaitanyam as though dipped in entire Jagat. As though. Because of that, the Sakshi Chaitanyam's pure consciousness existence principle, when that Nama Rupa, entire Nama Rupa, Maya, Prapancha is superimposed on me, I am as good as dipped in the Maharajanam. Like Maharajanam means yellow powder. இப்போ நான் சாட்சி பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம் முழுகின்னு இருக்கேன். எதுல? நாம ரூபத்தில். இந்த உடம்புல இந்த ரூபம், இந்த நாமம். Then what happened? I have lost my sakshihood, chaitanyam status. And I have forgotten my chaitanyam status. I have taken my husband status, wife status, or guru status, or shishya status, either status except sakshi status. Edinal yellow color dipped in. Like that, really that yellow color, don't extend the example here. That kartrutvam of that worldly activities, bhoktritvam of worldly objects, they are all superimposed upon me, the Atma Chaitanyam. Kartrutvam, do worship. I am a walker, I am a eater, I am an employer, I am an engineer, I am a doctor. And the ER vandale, I am doing doctor profession. I am doing cooking profession. I am doing lawyer profession. Doing varda illaya. So that doing kartrutvam comes because of mind. Kartrutvam is in the mind, not in the Atma Chaitanyam. It is in the mind only. The cloth, when you are dipped, yellow color solution really belongs to that white cloth. Previously it was not white. It appears yellow now because of yellow powder. Because of association. Because of association. Similarly, this body mind complex Rajanam, Maharajanam, yellow color powder like Rajanam, Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam, all are superimposed. They are all belong to the mind. Mind is functioning because of me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. That mind which has got Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam superimposed upon me, Adhyastam upon me, Kalpana, superimposed upon me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. I have forgotten. And Upadesa Sahasri class I have to sit, and Shankaracharya has to say, don't forget your Sakshitvam nature. You are originally Akarta, Bhokta. That kartrutvam, husbandhood, wifehood, lecturehood, doctorhood, all this hood irkum, employerhood, I am enjoying that profession, bhokta, that also they belong to the mind only, not you the sakshi. That is what he want to say. How to understand this? In the dream, when you go to dream, mind alone appears as dream objects. Mind vasanas comes to surface. Dream objects are nothing but mind alone. Dreamer is nothing but mind alone. Dream experience is nothing but mind alone. Whole dream drama is going on. Every one of us daily seeing our dream. Who is seeing this dream? Mind cannot see the dream because the dream happens to be the mind. Mind cannot see the mind because the dream is mind. Dream objects are mind only. Dream experience is mind. It is mind only fully. Can this mind experience the dream? Mind cannot experience the mind. Can body experience the mind dream? No. Then who is experiencing? Na Sakshi Chaitanyam only experiencing the dream. In the dream, mind alone is in the form of dream. Therefore, mind cannot experience the dream. Na kala, I experienced the dream. Tell me who experienced the dream. Eppada nenichavama. You tried to understand who is the knower of this dream. Nanda. Who is that Nan? Is it mind? It cannot be mind. Because mind has become totally dream. Mind alone is in the form of dream. Mind vasanas are only come to surface. The mind is in the form of dream now. Dream objects. Then who is the seer of the dream? No mind is there. Mind is in the form of dream. Mind cannot stand opposite to the mind. Because dream is nothing but mind vasanas come to surface. Therefore Sakshi Drishi alone is the witnesser of the dream. Just like that, Jagrada Avastha also. He is going to say that. Now look into the mantra sloka, 10th shloka. Why Sakshi Jnanam Kartrutvam cannot go together is the question. Previous shloka what we said, Sakshi Jnanam Kartrutva Bhoktrutvam cannot go together. Question may arise, why they cannot go together? Because it is not possible. Because it is not possible. Sakshi Jnanam and Kartrutvam cannot go together because of this reason. What is that reason? This is from Murta Brahmanam. I told you, no, Mundakopanishad and Upadesa Sahasri, subject is so closely it is going now. Murta Brahmanam, Swapna example brought for this explanation. Dream is a thought of the mind. Dream is a thought of the mind. Seeing that thought of the mind, that Maharajanam example. Ya Maharajanadhyaha. Maharajanam, that cloths, any like that, extra, etc. Adhyaha means etc., etc. You can take any other example also like that, similar to that. Whatever you objectify in the dream is mind alone. It is your thought only. The colorful dream created by mind alone. Mind alone. During waking state again, it is experienced. During waking state, it is you are remembering that dream. But really who experienced that? I, the Sakshi Chaitanya. Therefore he says here in this 10th shloka, Maharajanadi, a cloth dipped in the yellow solution. Taha vasanaha swapnadarshibhihi. Taha vasanaha, those vasanas. Example is over. Just as the cloth is dipped in the yellow color, similarly, these vasanas are all dipped in the nama rupa. With nama rupa, the whole thing, swapnadarshibhihi means sakshibhihi. Swapnadarshibhihi means many sakshis. I, the sakshi, I am seeing my dream. You, the sakshi, seeing your dream. She is her sakshi, seeing her dream. So sakshibhihi, by many witnessers, as though separate different bodies, la sakshibhihi. Many sakshi witnessers, witnessing, anubhuyante, during dream, anubhuyante, many sakshis, witnessers, witnessed consciousness. I am only witnessing, I am conscious of my dream. Who is conscious of your dream? I am only conscious of dream. Dream is nothing but mind. That means my mind which is in the form of dream, I am objectifying. During dream. Is there any object other than mind in dream? Manasada swapna rupama, swapnam object rupama theriyarudhu. அப்போ அது பார்க்கறதுக்கு மனசு இல்லையே, சொப்னமா மனசு நிற்கிறது அங்க. ஸோ ஹூ கேன் அப்சர்வ், ஹூ கேன் வாட்ச், ஹூ கேன் சீன்? சாட்சி சைத்தன்யம். ததா இஹ, சிமிலர்லி, எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஓவர். ததா இஹ, similarly in this jagrad avastha also. Tatha iha, in this jagrad avastha also. Yatha yathavat, in this jagrad avastha also. Tatha iha, second line. Iha eva tataha anyaha kevala drishihi. Tataha anyaha, different from the mind. Iha means in jagrad avastha. In jagrad avastha, tataha anyaha, different from the mind. Anyaha, different from the mind. Who is there? Kevala drishihi alone. Pure Chaitanyam alone is there. Pure Chaitanyam alone is there. Different from the mind. Drishihi means Chaitanya Swarupam. Kevala Chaitanya Swarupam is there. Here Vasana means impressions we have to take. Images, impressions, samskara. So mind is comparable to cloth. External objects all are like yellow water. Mind is dipped in this object, that object, this object, that object, and got kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, and superimposed upon sakshi. That's what. So external objects are all like yellow water. In Jagrad Avastha also, mind is dipped into external world. Nama, Rupa, Prapancha. In Jagrad Avastha. We are all in which Avastha now? Jagrad Avastha. So through ears, through eyes, through your mind, intellect, your mind is dipped in the world. Mind cloth is dipped in the yellow water objects. Objects like. Then that's why Ghata Vritti, Pata Vritti, Maik Vritti, Fran Vritti, all are coming to the mind. Then when we are eating, I am a eater. The Kartrutvam also. And the eater status I am adding to I am. I am eater. That eating action done by the body-mind complex. But what I say? I am eating. Walking action done by the legs. Talking action done by the mouth. But what I say? I am talking. I am walking. In the I am Sakshi Chaitanyam mixed with mind which is dipped in Nama Rupa Prapancha. And superimposing that eaterhood, walkerhood, kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, all these actions, doership, enjoyership, I am superimposing upon me and saying, I am doing, I am enjoying, I am sleeping, I am walking, I am talking, I am crying, I am laughing, what not. Everything. And the I am we have superimposed. That's why we are clubbing the karyam, that means called action and I am. I am clubbing, I am and action. The action is done by the body-mind complex. And the action, after action, I am enjoying the result of that action. That enjoyerhood, bhoktrutvam and kartrutvam, both I have to say, my legs are walking and sollamatam. My mind is thinking, we don't say. My intellect is deciding, we don't say. I decide. I am deciding. I am thinking. I am, we are clubbing. In the clubbing, the mess and solluva. Mixing up and messing up. Mixing up and messing up. Therefore, mind dipped into the worldly objects. So vasanas, they are all called vasanas. Commentators write, vasanas means what type of vasana? Vasanas born out of pitta, kapha, vata, raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, all these emotions. These are all vasanas. They are all lurking in the form of vasanas. They just mix with the nama rupa color, colorful world. Tadha eva iha sakshi. Similarly, sakshi illumining the vasanas in waking state also. Kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam are not belong to sakshi, but kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam illumined by sakshi. Just as in the dream, who is illumining the dream? Dream is nothing but mind. Mind, thought, vasanas, everything. Dream objects, dream. There is no dream object other than mind. So who is watching, who is illumining the dream? Sakshi Chaitanya. So the mind, vasanas only projected outside, surface, they come to surface. Sakshi is watching, illumining. What about Jagrata Avastha? Here also, Tatha Iha Eva. Tatha Eva Iha Api. In Jagrata Avastha also, Sakshi alone illumining the Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam. Sakshi is not Karta, Sakshi is not Bhokta. I am not the enjoyer, I am not the doer. I am the illuminator of the doing action done by the mind and body complex. I am the illuminator of enjoyerhood done by the mind-body complex. But very, very close they are, unpurifiable. You cannot separate them physically. You have to break your head to understand, that's all. அப்படி நிஜமா பிரேக் பண்ணாதுங்க. Just like breaking means very difficult to understand. It is not a physical event to separate. Because when I say I am a mixture. Sakshi Chaitanyam plus Ahankara, Chidabhasa, Sahita Chaitanyam, body mind complex put together. If you separate this spirit Atma, there is no I. If you separate the body mind complex also, there is no I. I am irukka mudiyadhu. So in the mixture da I am. This mixture nu theriyanume first. Appuram da separation. Mixture nu theriyano, you have to separate. How to separate also we should know. Intellectually you have to separate. How to separate intellectually? Can I sit at home and separate? கிளாஸ்லேயே செப்பரேட் பண்ண முடியல, வீட்டில் தனியாக உட்கார்ந்து பண்ண முடியுமா? வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் ஸ்ருதி, with the help of Guru, you have to apply your intellect. Then alone you can do. Therefore, tatha iha kevala drishihi tataha anyaha kevala drishihi. Tataha anyaha means there is no one other than Sakshi Chaitanyam who observe the mind. In Jagrada Avastha also. Iha eva, here also, in this Jagrada Avastha also, Chaitanyam alone is the witnesser. Next shloka we will read. Sakshi alone illumines the Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam. Shloka number 11. Koshadiva vinishkrishtaha karya karana varjitaha yathasir drishyate swapne tadvad bodha swayam prabha. In Swapna alone, Sakshi and mind difference is very evident. Why the Swapna Drishtanta Upanishad use? In Jagrada Avastha, Sakshi and mind, they are not distinctly available for grasping. Very, very difficult. Sakshi and mind, they are together in Jagrada Avastha. Suppose a person who sits next to me, same bench or same place, we are sitting. It is difficult for me to see that person continuously. I get neck pain. Okay? Because he is sitting next to me and go on talking. How difficult for me to see that person continuously. How long I can see? It's difficult. Suppose that person sit opposite to me. Without any difficulty, I can see that person. Without any difficulty, no neck pain, no problem. I can see that person happily and I can listen also. In dream, mind is in the form of dream objects. Sakshi Chaitanyam, witnessing. எதிரெதிரா இருக்கா. ஆனால் ஜாகிரத அவஸ்தையில பக்கத்திலே இருக்கா. அதுதான் கஷ்டம். ஏன்னா in dream sense organs are not functioning, mind is not functioning, and intellect is not functioning, body of course it is not functioning. There is no karta bhokta there separately. Therefore Aidi Sakshi need not join with the body mind complex. Enna rest eduthindu irukar avaru, body mind is taking rest. Aidi Sakshi Chaitanyam need not involved in any action, in any enjoyment. And the mind is doing what? Projection. And the manasula வந்து எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு இருக்கு வெளியில. ஜாகிரத அவஸ்தாயாம் யத்ருஷ்டம் யச்ருதம் தஜ்ஜனித வாசனையா நித்ரா சமயே யத் பிரபஞ்சம் பிரதீயதே சா ஸ்வப்னாவஸ்தா. ஸோ மனசு ஆடிண்டு இருக்காங்க தனியா. என்ன வேற வேலை இல்லையே. Mind doesn't have any function. So what it does? Just fancy காசு கொஞ்ச நேரம். So what are all unfulfilled desires are there, it want to fulfill there. So it is enjoying the dream. In the form of dream, mind is enjoying. Then Sakshi witness that mind. Sakshi is taking really happy. Sakshi need not form any identity with the body mind complex. There is no need of job, any doing. Even paduthindirukka ellame body sleeping here, and mind is also, sense organs are all closed, mind is taking rest, and the mind enna pannuvanna, let me project my all vasanas, projecting. Then Sakshi job is what? Always illumining. Therefore Sakshi illumining the mind easily. Enna எதிரெதிரா இருக்கா. இப்போ ஜாகிரத அவஸ்தையில் என்னாச்சுன்னா ஒட்டின்னு இருக்கா. அதுதான் ப்ராப்ளம். ரொம்ப க்ளோஸாக இருக்கு. இப்போ நீங்கள் கிளாஸில் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கேன் எல்லாம் வித் சாட்சி சைத்தன்யம் ஆர் வித்தவுட் சாட்சி சைத்தன்யம். along with Sakshi Chaitanyam, with what? With body, mind, active body, mind, sense organs. That is why they are all standing along with Sakshi Chaitanyam. அதனால சாட்சி சைத்தன்யம் கூட பாப்பா அவங்கள கூட வேலை பண்ண வேண்டியதாச்சு. வேலை பண்றதுன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? இல்லியூமினிங், பிஸி ஆக்டிவா இருக்கான். ஸோ நோ டைம். ஸோ சாட்சி சைத்தன்யம் இஸ் த விட்னஸர்ன்னு சொல்லணும்னா எதிரில் இருந்தால் தான் தெரியும். அதுக்கு தான் சொப்னா எக்ஸாம்பிள் வச்சுட்டு அது மாதிரி ஜாகிரத்தில் புரிஞ்சுக்கோன்னு சொல்றாரு. Through Swapna example, just as you are watching your dream mind objectively, I the Sakshi Chaitanyam illumining the mind which is in the form of dream objects, dream experience. Same, even though they are sitting next to you in a slow close, they are active, functioning, mind, body, sense organs are busy. Still, who is illumining the mind, you know? I the Sakshi Chaitanyam. Illumining what? Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam. Kartrutvam of what? Eating, talking, sleeping, watching, everything. Ing ella podungo. All ing enna hing vere. All ing. Doing all these jobs. Then because of those actions, I enjoy. Walking, I enjoy. Eating, I enjoy. Talking, more I enjoy. That bhoktrutvam. This doership and enjoyership, kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam of body-mind complex. Really, in Jagrata Avastha also, this drama done by the mind, illumined by the Sakshi Chaitanya. Who is this Sakshi Chaitanyam? I am. When I am Sakshi Chaitanyam, Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam are in the mind. That shows I am not Karta, I the Sakshi, just illuminer of Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam, but I am not the Karta, Bhokta. This Jagrata Avastha purinchukono. Just as in dream, I illumine the dream, I illumine the waking world. I repeat again. Just as in dream, I illumine the dream, I illumine the waking state, waking world in Jagrata Avastha. Appadida purinjukanu. For that, Acharya gives one example. When the sword is in that case, kosha, you cannot see it separately. The sword they keep in, here in that kosha, that cover. You see only its cover, but not sword. But when you take it out, you see clearly. Like that munja ishikavat, you take it out mentally. Then you can see clearly. That example is given here. We will see the sloka. We have read the sloka. Koshadiva yatha, second line you see, yatha, just as asihi drishyate. Asi means sword. Sword, drishyate, clearly seen. When it is clearly seen, koshat vinishkrishtaha. When it is taken out. Vinishkrishtaha means when it is taken out. From where? Koshat. From its cover. When you take out, similarly, when you take out the Sakshi Chaitanyam out of Karya Karana Varjitaha, Sakshi Chaitanyam, when it is neither Pradhama Padaha, Karana Pada, nor Karya Pada, Dvitiya Tritiya Pada. Pradhama Dvitiya Pada, Tritiya Pada. Padam na, endha Padam? Not this Padam, but Mandukya Pada. First, second and third. First two Padas Karya Pada. Third pada is Karana pada. Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. So, I am neither Karyam nor Karanam, but I am Turiyam. So, Karya Karana Varjitaha. Just as you see the sword clearly when you take out from the kosha, intellectually you have to deny this Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, Karana Shariram. Sukshma Shariram, Sthula Shariram, Karyam. Both are Karyam. Karana Shariram is Karanam. So I am neither Karana Shariram, nor Sukshma Shariram, nor Sthula Shariram. Karya Karana Varjitaha Aham. I am Swapne Tadvat Yathavat Samyak. Yatha means Yathavat Samyak Drishyate Tadvat. Swapne Bodha Swayam Prabhaha. Tadvat. Similarly, in the same manner, in dream, mind is just opposite to the Sakshi Chaitanyam. Swapne Tadvat Bodha. Consciousness is clearly evident. Swayam Prabhaha. Clearly evident. Evident as what? Different from the mind. Bodha, the Chaitanyam, Sakshi Chaitanyam, Swayam Prabhaha, clearly evident. By taking Swapna example, he is explaining. Just as the sword is very clear when you take out from the cover, its cover, similarly, dream is just like taking the Sakshi Chaitanyam out of this Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya koshas in the dream. Unfortunately, we are all enjoying the dream or suffering in the dream, but none of us making use of dream for this knowledge. Upanishad, using this dream, through dream you understand. These are all from Upanishadic only. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Swapna Drishtanta is highly used to get clarity in Vedanta. See this Swapna Drishtanta. We know how to dream, how to dreamt. We have dreamt. I am going to get lot of dreams. But none of us make use of the dream. You can make use of the dream in dream or in waking state. In waking state. How you make use of your dream in waking state? To say it is unreal. You make use of your waking state to understand the dream as unreal. Clear? Similarly, this Jagrata Avastha is also like another dream. Waking state you are making use of to make the dream unreal. Similarly, Sakshi Chaitanyam Aham Brahma Asmi, this Jnanam I make use of to see the waking world as another unreal dream. Dream ani sonnale podum, unreal ani sollanuma. Another dream. Waker is the one who knows the dream is unreal. Jnani is one who knows this waking state is unreal. So Jnani has got how many dreams? 2 dreams. One dream, dream. Another dream, waking, Jagrat. அப்போ அந்த ட்ரீம் கொஞ்சம் அன்ரியல் சுவாமி, ஃபுல் அன்ரியல், இந்த ஜாகிரத் மாத்திரம் கொஞ்சம் அன்ரியல்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. சேம், போத் ஆர் சேம் ஓன்லி. நம்பவே முடியல இல்ல, உண்மை. ஞானிக்கு 2 ட்ரீம். ஒரு வேக்கருக்கு ஒரே ட்ரீம் தான். வேக்கர் ஒரு ட்ரீம் மீன்ஸ் தட் இஸ் ட்ரீம் அன்ரியல், ஒன் அன்ரியல் ட்ரீம். ஒரு ஞானிக்கு 2 அன்ரியல் ட்ரீம்ஸ். Jagrata Avastha also unreal. To make that dream unreal, you have woken up. To make this world, to see this world as unreal, you have to wake up to your Sakshi status. Unless you wake up to your Sakshi status, Guru evvala kattinalum, katti enna shouting, go on and on. unless I wake up to my Sakshi Chaitanyam status, this world is real. Unless you wake up from the sleep, the dream is real or not? The dream is real until you wake up. However much I say when you are dreaming, hey, and the dream is unreal. Unreal, you will listen? You won't listen unless you wake up from that sleep. Similarly, Gnani evvala sonnalum, teacher evvala sonnalum, unless I recognize, I claim I take out my Sakshi Chaitanyam from this, what? Stula, Sukshma, Karana, Prapancha, husbandhood, fatherhood, motherhood, brotherhood, sisterhood, idilone irundittu adu case lone irukonam velila varamatome. This class is meant for what? To take out the Sakshi outside from that 5 koshas. And trying, but varamatangale vanda nallade varlanna kashtam. Adha he says here Swapne tadvat bodha swayam prabha. Similarly, this Sakshi Chaitanyam bodha is self-evident. Just as the sword is evident, in Swapna, Sakshi Chaitanyam is very, very evident. So, mari Jagratala Gnanam dreamla varma, Jagrata Avasthala varma. Atma Gnanam can come only in Jagrata Avastha. Therefore what? 12th sloka. Apeshat pratibuddhasya gnasya swabhavikam padam vuktam netyadi vakyena kalpitasyapanetrinam. Again one more story. Ajatashatru, one Raja, teaching to Gargya. How to teach? Those teaching ways in that story in Brihadaranyaka we saw. Ajatashatru takes this Gargya to a sleeping person. When he is sleeping, now this sleeping person, sense organs are not functioning, mind is not functioning, body is not functioning. Who is functioning? And the prana is functioning. Is this person is prana? This jiva, the individual, is prana? If prana is functioning or not when he is sleeping? When person is sleeping, prana is functioning. That means prana is alive. That means prana should answer to me when I call by its greatness, names and all. Prana, Jeshtaha, come. And all elindu ukarvane. Sreshtaha, wake up. He is not waking up. Prana is functioning in that body, but he is not waking up. Ajatashatru is telling to Gargya, Gargya, you think individual means prana? If individual is prana, when I call him as prana, udane elindu ukaranume. Prana nu koopta elindu ukarala. And calling by great names, prana, jeshtaha, shreshtaha, like that different names are there in that Upanishad. When calling, that person is not waking up. Appo enna artham? இந்த பிராணம் தவிர யாரும் இருக்க உள்ள அவன் பிராணமா இருந்தா எழுந்து உட்காரணுமே. He didn't wake up. Then Ajatasatru, what he did? Pesha. Apeshad. He pressed him and he shook the body. He touched the body, pressed the body and shook and shaking that body. Then udane ukkanduட்டான். அப்ப யார் அந்த ஆளு? Body, mind, sense organs are not functioning, but someone who is other than prana is there inside, woken up. That's what Upanishad says. So you are not the body mind complex, you are not the prana also. However much great that prana, even though it is functioning while you are sleeping, still you are not that prana. If you are that prana, you have to wake up when I call you. You are not waking up. That means you are different from the prana. Who is that? Atma Chaitanya. You are different from that body-mind complex. Understand? In this example, Shankaracharya reminds that Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Apeshat Pratibuddhasya. Pratibuddha. The person has woken up. Apeshat. Because of shaking, pressing his body. நம்ம கூட அப்படித்தானே பண்ணுவானே, எழுந்துக்கலாம் அப்படியே பண்ணுவோம். So you touch the body, press the body, they will wake up. So gnasya swabhavikam padam, that is original status, nature, uktam. Not neti neti, not this, not this. Not this means neither murtam nor amurtam, neither formed not formless. So both are not this Atma. Neti neti iti vakyena. Neti neti iti vakyena kalpitasya apanetrina. This kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, which are all superimposed, by negating all of them, neti neti. Murtam, amurtam, both are negated. That what is that neti? One neti is for what? Another neti is for what? One is for murtam, another is for amurtam. Neti, neti. More in the next class. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.